Hey friends, if you wish to improve headphone sound quality for free on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the click on the system tray, right click on the sound icon and go to settings. Scroll down, go to more sound settings and then find the headphones and right click on them, select properties. If they have an enhancement tab, go to this tab, select disable all enhancements, click on apply and then on OK. Click on OK once again. This done, you can make sure that the correct headphones are selected here because at times they are not. So make sure that the input and output is correct. Once this is sorted out, you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open device manager, expand the list of audio inputs and outputs and update the drivers for each and every element here. Okay. Once this is done, the next thing that you can do is get a good media player. So open Microsoft Store and here's my suggestion. Open VLC, search for VLC and then you can download and install VLC on your system and click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.